Maximizing your grocery budget just got easier. Let's dive into using your EBT card at Walmart's self-checkout. Step by step. First, head to any available self-checkout lane at Walmart. Make sure it accepts card payments. Most do, but double-check the screen or ask an associate if you're unsure. Scan all your eligible items just like you normally would. Remember, EBT typically covers grocery items like fruits, vegetables, dairy, bread, and non-alcoholic beverages. Check with your local EBT guidelines for specific restrictions. Once you scan everything, tap the Pay button on the touchscreen. Look for the EBT or SNAP option on the payment screen and select it. Now, swipe your EBT card through the card reader. Enter your EBT PIN on the keypad and press OK or Enter. The screen may ask if you want to use the full remaining balance or a specific amount. Choose the appropriate option. If your EBT doesn't cover the entire purchase, the screen will prompt you to pay the remaining balance with cash, a debit card, or a credit card. Once the payment is processed, the machine will print your receipt. Be sure to keep it for your records. And that's it. You've successfully used your EBT card at Walmart's self-checkout. Don't hesitate to ask a Walmart associate for assistance if needed. Happy shopping!